Looks like someone needs more stamina to conquer the mountain of life. Are you tired of searching for restless crickets and hunting for monster parts? We thought so. Let's grab some matcha powder instead. Put a half a bar spoon of the powder into your shaker. Kinda looks like ground crickets. Next comes a heavy ½ ounce of maple syrup, followed by 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Then we'll add 2 ounces of delicious Toki Suntory whiskey. Way better than those monster parts. Fill your shaker with copious ice and medium shake for 5 to 10 seconds. Fine strain into your potion bottle. And that's the Energizing Elixir from Breath of the Wild. Flavor is always worth the adventure.